Yo, you know the crazy part about it is let me I'm gonna look now. I want y'all to put the snitch shit and all that to a side. I want to see if y'all really watch this little crazy nigga 6ix9ine. Y'all been paying attention to what he been doing?
You
Man,
talking about that
69
20
popping
rack?
right
You
now.
talking about that 20
The
racks?
numbers.
Hell
Wack?
Oh,
yeah.
that was a
Yep.
million. Now he already had a million. The 20 went to a
Yeah,
million. I think.
Hell yeah,
I
that's
saw that. He's
No,
doing a
no,
lot
but
of
I
stuff
want
with
no. I
Steve.
really listen. I really want to pick y'all brain. Are you paying attention to what he's doing and where he's doing it at?
Yeah,
He
Yeah,
out
you
and
know,
about.
he's
Yeah, he
acting a
out and
fool
about.
in New York.
not
Wow.
just out and about. He doing it in New York.
Same shit
He's
in
doing
No,
it
no,
out.
no,
Wow.
no. He ain't. No, he ain't. He down in
There's some
Mexico.
video out. Oh yeah,
He's
Mexico
in
right now.
He
Mexico.
messing with the
Oh, okay.
Hispanic culture. He
Yep.
messing with the Hispanic
that's
peasants.
how we get.
That's because
Okay.
he's getting ready to
Okay.
drop
Hold
all
on.
kinds of.
But is
Hold
he
on.
locked in with
I
them
know
Exactly.
though?
where you
Hold
going.
on. Wait. Hold on, bro. Where did he get what he's doing from? Who also did this? And when they came for him, they protected him.
African Bambaataa.
Nah, real shit.
That's
Okay. Let
Probably
me
Pitbull or one
educate
of the
y'all.
Hey,
Rangers.
Wack. Hey,
Drake,
Wack. Hey,
No,
Wack.
no,
Are
let me
you?
educate y'all on something.
Did
Chavo.
Drake do that in that video,
Chavo.
Gunplay?
I'm
Let me
tapping it back
educate you on something.
because I don't normally
The
laugh like
same act with the people. He's up to $1 million.
you
He's going to
ain't
villages, give them
laughing.
20, 30, 50.
That's not me.
Pablo Escobar
Hey, who
committed
was
the
that with the
same
hot
act
mic?
and beat the government. When they came in, they said, we ain't never seen that man in our life. What? We don't know him. What? Listen, the man is already setting up. If I gotta go, I'm gonna go somewhere you can't go. Listen, don't never forget this. Whoever feed the people, lead the people. And don't never get that fucked up.
Hey, Wack. I want to hear all the tough talk when he go down there and mingle with them people. I want to hear what that plane sound like.
Man, he
What you mean?
Hispanic.
That's what you, nigga. Who you think he down there with? He
Hey,
go
Goddamn
down
but
there
I'm
every
president.
talking
month.
about all the people on this side screaming what they
They not
screaming.
going over there.
I want to
Hey,
hear
if
that
you
It
plan.
ain't
You
no
know what I'm
side,
saying?
my nigga, and it's not
Ain't no,
gang.
listen,
It's
let me
not.
tell you what he could do. He'll sit over there in a big old villa. They all gonna love him. Yeah, they probably give him for free. And when he got a show to do, he'll fly back. Security will be right. He'll make another couple million. And then if it ever got like, the nigga playing a different type of game and niggas don't even realize it.
He told on a bunch of niggas. They ain't tripping
Hold
on
up.
that. He told on a
Not
bunch
Hey,
only
of niggas.
that,
I've been saying.
not only that, let's be real. Whoever feed the people, lead the people. So if it get that bad, and it gotta be some adjustments. The adjusters are already here. You just don't know what they look like. He got everybody looking at the niggas in Brooklyn and the niggas over here. But ain't nobody paying attention to them Spanish niggas that's from over there that's already here.
That part.
Genius.
Niggas better stop playing. You talking that shit, all this rah rah, yeah, and whoop de whoop de whoop and whoop. Nigga, you are not ready. You not ready.
You know,
The
Hey,
nigga
stop.
that gave away $1 million in 2 days, driving around villages, knocking on doors and huts, and giving families 50,000 and paying the city to let's start the water. Nigga, the statues is about to start going up. Say what you want.
that
The
nigga
nigga
gonna fuck
playing a
around and
different
take
type
over
of
And
game.
if
Mexico.
y'all remember,
Once he get the
He
cartels,
did
he
that in
might
the
not be
past.
untouchable.
hey, check this out. If y'all remember, he was hanging out with El Chapo's grandson. I don't think y'all remember that, but he was
Whoa.
locked in with either the son or the grandson out there in Mexico. On God.
I doubt
Really?
that.
And
I didn't know
I doubt
yeah,
hell
that.
yeah,
yeah.
hey,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
uh,
There was
Hell
some
yeah, he
talk.
know
There
El
was
yeah,
some
Chapo's
talk
he
running
people, nigga.
around.
they're keeping him safe out there.
Hey, but
Yep.
Bottom
but
line
them
is
over
stop.
there, they don't think that's snitching though, right? Over there, they
They
don't.
don't give a fuck
No, they
about no
don't.
Yeah,
niggas from no
Nah.
non-trade gangster
Yep.
Right.
blood.
Especially if
They
he
don't
up
right.
in the
give two
mountains, he
shits
don't
Hey,
give
if
about
no.
you
them.
tell on niggas, they don't give a fuck.
So
I got
stop.
a
So
family to
stop
take care of.
sitting around plotting on another motherfucker's demise, knowing you ain't finna do shit, cause you
Nah,
gonna end
bro.
up looking like a fool.
Now watch this. He ain't 6ix9ine ain't crazy. He know one day they gotta let niggas go. And by the time that day come, these men are crippled because now they got to come out here and figure it out. But yet he's already in position on some other shit because he didn't figure it out.
No, they
Yo.
gotta do a Jim Jones Alpo move. I got utmost respect for you. Let me shake your hand.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.